So what actually can you do with Gemini CLI? First thing is to build web app. So I was able to build this scientific calculator, okay, that works perfectly with the logics, everything, as you can see, and I was able to build it with Gemini CLI. What that I asked it to do was to give me a complete index HTML, style CSS, and then JavaScript for a responsive scientific calculator with web, okay, and then it should have the sign, the cost, the time, and everything. And as you can see, it gave me the indexed HTML file. That is the whole code, just like this one. Okay. Not only that, it also gave me the style.css file, and then it gave me along with the whole code as well, just like this one. And then it was able to also give me the script.js, which comes with all the codes as well. And one thing that is amazing is that after giving me the complete HTML, CSS, and then the JavaScript, I was able to run it just on my browser by double clicking on the index HTML, which was in the form of Chrome. Okay, so as you can see, this is the index, and then when you open the index right on my laptop, I have a full working scientific calculator just like this, and it's answer. Okay, so you can build web app with it and much more. Okay, not only that, you can also upload files like PDF, and then you can ask it to summarize it. You cannot upload it directly from the Gemini CLI, but you have to first come to where you have the file just like this one. So this is the PDF. You have to come and then right click on it. When you click on it, simply come here to where you have the properties and then come and click on it. And what you are going to look at is that you are going to look at the location of the file. Okay, so we are going to give the location of the file just like this. You highlight the whole location. Okay, you right click on it, and then you come here to where we have the copy. We are going to give the location of the file to Gemini CLI. So you paste it somewhere, and then the next thing is to come to the details and then come here to the file name. Okay, so the file name is freebie.pdf. Okay, so you have to add the file name to the location of the file. Okay, so you add it just like this one, then you highlight the whole thing, the location plus the file name, you right click on it, then you come and click on copy. So all that you have to do is simply come here to Gemini and then come and put your mouse on the chat and come and then right click on it, and it is going to paste the whole file location just like this, and then you can ask it to summarize it. Okay, so let me say please summarize this PDF for me, and then you hit enter. Gemini is going to locate the file from your PC or laptop without you uploading it directly, and then it's going to summarize it just like this just for you. Okay, not only that, you can also translate it into different languages. So I'm asking it how many languages can it actually translate it into, and then it is saying that the most common ones that we know, just like the French, the Hindi, and all that, it can translate it into. Besides that one, it can also translate it into many other local languages like my local language. So I'm going to ask it to translate it into the Ghanaian local language, the Akan Chi. Okay, then I hit enter, and it will surprise you. It has translated it into the Akan Chi. Okay, so this is awesome. Okay, so you can do all this and many more with Gemini CLI. So just subscribe, and I'm going to give a series of things that you can do with it.